Hello, friends! Welcome to our fun learning time. Today, we're going to learn all about the letter E. Can you say it with me? E. Great! Now, let's see what starts with the letter E. E is for elephant. First, we have E for elephant. Elephants are big animals with long trunks. They love to eat plants and splash water with their trunks. Can you say elephant with me? Elephant. Great! E is for egg. Next, we have E for egg. Eggs are small and oval-shaped. They come from chickens and are used to make yummy dishes like omelets. Can you say egg with me? Egg. Wonderful! E is for engine. Now, let's talk about E for engine. Engines help trains, cars, and planes move. They make everything go vroom, vroom. Can you say engine with me? Engine. Fantastic! E is for envelope. Next, we have E for envelope. Envelopes hold letters and cards. You can send them to your friends and family through the mail. Can you say envelope with me? Envelope. Good job! E is for eagle. Now, let's learn about E for eagle. Eagles are big birds that fly high in the sky. They have sharp eyes and strong claws. Can you say eagle with me? Eagle. Amazing! E is for Earth. We have E for Earth. Earth is the planet we live on. It has land, water, and air, and it's home to all of us. Can you say Earth with me? Earth. Excellent! Let's say all the E words one more time. E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for engine. E is for envelope. E is for eagle. E is for Earth. You did a fantastic job learning all these E words today. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll know even more letters and words. Bye-bye for now. See you next time with the letter F.